In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows Update error 0x8008005. We have a few solutions here. Let's go ahead and go to our first solution. So for our first solution, we are going to update our drivers. So to do that, go to your Windows search and just type in update. Click on the check for updates. Click on view all optional updates. Here, expand the driver updates and check all the checkboxes here and just click on download and install and reboot your PC. Our next solution is to uninstall third-party security software. So if you're not aware, there's a built-in uh, software that you could use for security, scanning for viruses. Windows has a built-in application for that, which is called Windows Defender. So you can check it out in our other videos. But for you to uninstall your third-party security software, just type in here uninstall, and you will be able to see the add or remove programs. Here, just look for the software that you want to uninstall and just click on it and just hit on uninstall. So our next solution is to run the troubleshooter. So to do that, go ahead and go to your Windows search and just type in troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot settings. Click on additional troubleshooters. Look for Windows update and just click on run the troubleshooter. Here it will detect any problems that they will find on your PC, and just follow the on-screen steps and restart your PC. Our next solution is to fix corrupted system files. So to do that, go ahead and go to your search bar and just type in command prompt. You'll be able to see the command prompt option here. Just right click and just run as administrator. Once here, you will be typing a few commands. So the first command is sfc scan space slash scan now. Just hit on enter and wait for this to complete the scan. So if it says any problems, they encounter any problems on the scan, you can type in the following commands here that you will be able to see on my screen on my notepad. Just type them in order and check if that solves your issue. I hope this video was able to help you. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.